At this point, we should go back to Islam and invite us to please rise.
I've been looking for the opportunity to invite you, honestly, invite this group as led by your leader. I remembered that about this time last year, even when we were on the emergency rule, you took your time to come and celebrate with me. It was your festive period, but you said that you have chosen to come to my house privately, even while we were out of office, to mark this special event. And in one of your comments or your prayer is that Allah will be merciful and Allah will do that He always do at the right time. And I'm happy that today it is not the same story again. Your visiting here is now in the government house and not my private residence again. I was making some research on this festival, and I found out that it is very significant to the Muslims, or to Islam, not Muslim, but Islam, that this festival has to do with, after fasting, it was the period when the Quran was handed over. So it means it's a period, a very sacred period, a period that brought the law. It's a period that brought the ordinance that guides your religion. So you can see that maybe I'm gradually moving to your side now. But the truth about it is, any community, even as an individual, if you don't have a guiding principle, there is no way you can make it right in life. So I want to join all well-meaning Rivers people to celebrate with you today, to share with this wonderful journey that you have gone through. Fasting is not an easy thing. For you to go through this fasting, the essence of the fasting is for the success of our country. When the country succeeds, the subnational, which includes River State, will succeed. And I strongly believe that we are going to succeed together. I was thinking it was just coming to felicitate with us, but I didn't know you have your own list of reminder again. I didn't forget some of the promises or your requests, but you also understand how it has been with us. I wouldn't want to discuss them here, but I've noted them And I assure you that those ones that we know we can handle, we will do it as soon as possible. But today is a day of celebration. Like I said, I'm not going to keep you. I want to, let me plead. You see, you're here doing business. Automatically you live here. You're a Rivers indigene, even if you're not an indigene by birth. But because you've been living here, you have your children here, you have your houses here, we have every reason to promise you that your lives and property as government will protect them. On your own part too, you also need to set up your own internal mechanism to talk to your people so that they can also conduct themselves. Why am I saying this? It's because of the issue of the herdsmen, farmers. We're trying all we can. I've had series of meetings with the security agencies on how to manage, and you will agree with me that on a very reasonable standard, our cases here is not like other states. This is because we have something I can't mention here, a mechanism of reaching out to them, letting them understand that at the end of the day, you can't compare life to issue of any other thing. So to reduce casualties and more calamity that is associated with the herdsmen and farmers crisis, we're working behind the scene for it. And I can assure you, not even assure you, I can beat my chest to say that, like we had cases in other states, it's not like that in Rivers State. So it means we are doing something about it. But in all, just do your own part too. You are related to them, you're close to them, you're their leader. Also talk to them so that every one of us will walk at a very, we walk at the same pace for the peace of our state. Let me finally assure you that our relationship started before the election. A lot of you chose to support us, and you supported, not right from the time of my predecessor, you supported him. When we came in, you also supported us. And what we owe you is to ensure that that relationship is sustained. Is sustained. So we'll do our best to make you people happy. We'll do our best to make Rivers State safe for everyone. Let me thank you and wish you a fruitful celebration